Governor, as I was coming to your house, I heard you speaking Igbo to your children. Why? This is not our agreement. Hey, listen to me, Mr. Man, honorable, or whatever you call yourself. This is my house, and I have right to speak Igbo in my own house. By the way, don't you know that I'm an Igbo man? Please don't disturb me, oh. Governor. That is not the plan now. Yeah? Stop saying that you are Igbo. It's making us to believe that you are no longer working with us. Listen to me, honorable. I am an Igbo man. Since 2 weeks now, in fact, it's over 2 weeks, I have not even seen anything from you people. And you want me to keep saying that I'm not Igbo man. Respect yourself, oh. Governor, don't say that. Please, boys, bring that bag. Let him see what is inside. Oh, that is good. Honorable, you are a very nice man. Oh. You see, I don't want trouble. If you do what you are supposed to do, me and my household, we will also do what we are supposed to do. Do you understand me? Yeah? So don't worry, everything is okay. Governor, now tell me, are you still an Igbo man? Me? Igbo, okay. Me and my family, we are not Igbo. And let me tell you, nobody in this whole place that is under me that is an Igbo. We are not Igbo. We are Bini people. Yoruba people, we are the same. Fulani, we are the same. All these people are our brothers. But you see those people from the southeast, we don't know them. Okay, Governor. Now, I want you to keep doing things. Keep doing more things. And you will keep receiving more. What other things you want me to do? Other than the one I have been doing, eh? You want me to do more, no problem, but you need to double this bag, oh, eh? Because inyendeba, 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 inyekwamo, inyekwagi, inyekwamo, inyekwagi, inyendeba, 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 inyendeba. Do you understand? But Governor, you are still singing Igbo song. Forget it. That song means something. If you bring more, you see more action. Okay, don't you know what I have done all this while? In the schools around, what have I done? We have stopped sending Igbo exams, NECO, WAEC, to all the schools. So the schools are all tired. They are no longer teaching Igbo because it's just like a West. After teaching, you will not see exam paper to write. So they have automatically stopped teaching Igbo in the schools. So what do you think? It's a good step. And it's a good thing you are doing. But please, we need more action. Mr. Man, don't get me angry. See, I'm not hungry. And you know that I'm not hungry. Do you understand? Just double the bag and you see double action. You want to go? For me and my husband, we are not Igbo. And I'm telling everyone that we are not. So be very, very rest assured that once you keep on doing what you're supposed to do, I will keep on doing what I know how to do best. Okay? Do you understand? All right. You can now be going. When you double the bag, I double the action. Inyendeba, 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 inyendeba. Inyekwamu, I give you. Inyekwamu, I give you. Inyendeba, inyendeba, inyendeba. Come on! Iburu onye Igbo, Iburu onye Igbo. Unu ejizi n'anya, in fact, agba m ife unu ji anya eme.